officially talk in gameplay. So this is my survival world. I hope you like it. If you don't, I'm coming to your house. I'm gonna kill your toes. That was a promise. The drones have already spotted me. Food! So I wish I had a bubble, but unfortunately, I do not. Poop. I should brush it. Do you demand me if I swear? YouTube, I'm sorry if I swear. I'm happy. In fact, I have mental issues that listen to me. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. I deserve to be demonetized. I don't even deserve to get anywhere anymore. Oh crap. I should have really turned down that pitch on this. Otherwise, people would call me if I didn't turn down the pitch, people would call me one for pitch. I'm not saying it. You stupid. Okay, I'm kinda hungry. I'm hungrier than oh. If I could that wooden plank faster, I wouldn't die. But unfortunately, I'm probably gonna die, so Is this okay? Is this okay? Because if this is okay, yeah, this gotta be okay. This gotta be okay.
Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Yeah. No. No. Is this okay? Is this okay?
Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Is this okay? Yeah, that gotta be okay. That gotta be okay, hey guys. Microphone recording. Microphone recording is on. I know! Anyways, this time, I'm cooking. Okay. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. I bought all of this up. If I lose it, I'm going to goddamn rage, bro. I swear, I am going to rage. If you guys wanna see me rage or voice reveal, if you guys wanna see me voice reveal, all this is a sound changer. Nothing was my real voice. I should probably get cooking. I'm gonna get cooking. Cook me some meat. And if I can, I use some pork cheese. What could I use? Is it what I can patch up the roof with? Is with dirt. I don't like that. I haven't even got a full proper house yet. This is just a house for the time being. And I'm going to crash out if this doesn't hurry up. Goodbye. delicious. The food is delicious. Yeah, a lot in real life. Hold on. Now I can go to sleep. So guys, hold up. I'm just eating a minute. But we are going to take down the house. I know, that's if I had hands right here, why didn't I put it right there? Like, what the hell? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I have to. I hope you guys don't hate on me for using a voice changer. But the only cheats I got turned on are the coordinates and the days played. I don't even think they're cheats, because what do? They just show you the coordinates. Yeah, that food was bust. That food was bust. That food, oh my god. I need some more of that. But we're officially going to explore again. This is part 2 of playing Minecraft, by the way. How long should I do this video for? I'll probably do this video for about 3 minutes or so, I don't know. But it's very fun making these videos. So, you don't, let me know in the comments. You don't have to. I'm not telling you to. I'm just asking you if you want to. If you want to put a comment in, or if you just do it anyway to respond. How many parts should I do of Minecraft? Like part 2, part 5? Should I go up to part 10? I will make a playlist called Minecraft Parts. Part 1, part 2. And they might come out like day after day, like a couple of days after a couple of days. But I really enjoy filming them. I really enjoy filming these videos. And I'm in it. Oh, look at my pickaxe, guys. It's gonna break. Yeah, I literally raided villages. You can even look at the whole video. Like, the other video. I only had the things on. I raided 3 villages. And I found all of this in chests. And I got it. I killed a couple iron golems. I found a lot of iron. Yeah, I really did this, guys. And it was good that I found a lot of iron, because that really helped with my tools. And now, what's next is to find more diamonds. Go on to find some netherite. How many blocks, guys, do you need to fill? Hold on, I'm gonna Google it. I'm just having a look. How much blocks do measure this. So, 1, 2. These are just going to be outlots. 3, 4, 5, 6. Might need 8. 9. No. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It needs to be 12. It needs to be another one there. Let me go below more. I'm crying over pixels, guys. And I'll teach some Minecraft tips in my next video. So about that. Boom, boom, boom. So I would need about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do. Like, what? You'd assume you need 14 if you want it to be this. But if you're like me, and you want to have it quicker than usual, then yeah. Can you break obsidian? What kind of question do I just ask? I asked, can you break obsidian? No, you can't. I'm stupid. I'm as stupid as... I'm as useless as a car that's in come out later. But, like, I'm gonna do 3 tips. But, I'm gonna do 3 tips on all the tips that I know how, for Minecraft, for beginners. But, yeah. Whoa! No way! 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 No! Oh, is that all I think it is? No way! It is! Oh my! But I'm ripping this out! Oh my! I'm gonna try not to go in the lava. Oh my gosh! Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I placed my only water right there. How could I even do that? See, kinda, see, I should probably, watch out for magma, and I should probably go in here. Yes! 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 I have an obsidian. Luckily, I have a diamond pickaxe. I have to break this. There we go. I have to equip that. Put that. There, 'cause I can finally find netherite. Yeah, I can finally find netherite. Good thing I find this obsidian. And boom, boom, and God! Hey, can I bake this? Can I bake this? Please tell me I can bake it. Please, please. Yeah, wait, what? You actually can bake obsidian? I never knew that. Now that I'm standing above lava, now that I think of it. Bye. So, now I'm gonna grab that. I'm not going to need that. Why are all the mobs avoiding me? What? Peanuts? This is really weird. They usually come, annoy me, and attack me. Which isn't cool, guys. Nope, nope, come on. You shoot him. You shoot what he was about to do. Did you see that? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. I need to grab a run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. This is gonna be so good, because, what did I forget about the thing? That ain't gonna be good. Well, I can take it with me, because I have a diamond pickaxe. Yeah, I can take it with me. I can take the whole tour with me. Flint and steel! mine? What's this? Not the rat. I want that. I'm here for the netherite. I take it. I'm here to take the nether. What? Is it true about wearing gold? Is it really true about wearing gold? Yeah, it is. They don't attack you. Oh my god. They don't attack you. Fake pigeon? Fake pigeon. Just burned himself. One idiot. Guys? Do you see? At all? Yeah, that's the how? Oh wait. Yeah. Is that demon? No, it's not demons. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, I'm scared. 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 Oh my god. He's gonna want me. He's gonna want me. He's gonna want me. He's gonna want me. He's gonna want me, isn't he? Isn't he? Isn't he? Why is he following me? Why is he following me? Is he going to try ramming me? Yep, he is. He is. He's following me. 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 He's fine. He's cute. Not ugly as hell, you idiot. I will come mining for netherite. What happens if you find netherite? I'm looking for it. Please! Netherite! I gotta be careful. Just in case a piglin enters. I'm knocking him out. Oh, got some. They're not friends with them? They're against them? Yo! Watch where you're pointing that thing, bro! Wow. I've never seen another like this in my whole life. If I get stuck in here, I'm placing the bag and I'm going to sleep. If I get stuck in here. I don't care if I have to thing. I've never been to a nether. I've never worked my way up to nether. Ever. I'm trying to look for mine. Because if I do find one, you know, I'm happy. Happy days. With a netherite. And that's all I need, bro. Is netherite. Well, we can find some iron. took a golden nugget. Yeah, this place is really cool. I'll have to come back again. I love Lucky Troll. my stuff. If it's not bad balance, most of it's gone. And I bet you that's the real stuff. 'Cause it always is. I'll have to eat rotten flesh. I will have to. Oh, look. The stuff I threw away. Oh. I remember those coordinates. If I'm trying to remember place, position, amongst, position. Is the mountain right? Sure. The mountains I passed through. Otherwise, I'd be happy living day. Look, that's the mountains I passed in my old video. I should know where I'm going now. I should? Yeah, I should. I passed through here. Yeah, I passed through here. Through the Endless Ravine. You've gotta be kidding me. Really? I'm just gonna try to go find the coordinates on which I did. I hope I find it, because it'd be lovely too. All of this hard work. Person through things like biology. All of that. I remember. Yeah, too. I should have just stuck to my home. But all good things must come to an end. And I'm not mad about it. I'm kind of actually happy. Because everything sadly does have to come to an end. But that's it. It's just a game. And I don't remember where it was. Yes, I found one of the villages